What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stand Up at State Square Photography, bring you back another video. Two. Look who we have with us today is
Miss Brittany over here.
She came back here, guys, to help us out with this video. It is early. It's not really that early, guys, but it's early morning, Sunday morning. I'm going to do nothing but natural light. She has this look right here. Do you have another look as well?
I do, yep. Got a nice little blue suit combo.
And she got some nice little blue flu. So I'm just going to do nothing but all natural light today. No flash. I didn't even bring the flash to even tempt me to do anything. So we're going to run around here downtown, chase the light a little bit, and hopefully we can get some good images today. So Brittany, are you ready? Are you excited? Ready. How do you feel about the shoot?
I'm feeling good. It's been a while since we've seen each other. I'm ready to get back into it.
Guys, I'm gonna tell y'all something. She took an idea of mine and gave it to somebody else.
Whatever.
Okay. She took an idea of mine and gave it to another photographer.
He thieved my idea.
I'm not gonna get onto that right now. So let's just go ahead, get right into the shoot, right?
Right.
Let's get right into the shoot, guys. Let's go. What am I trying to do, Stan? Here we go. All right, ready? Am I recording here? All right, guys, now here we go. We are getting on. You see I got it on the back of the wall here. She's on the back of the wall. We're gonna get some photos going on here, guys. Again, I'm shooting up a natural light. I do have a reflector out here. Matter of fact, let me get that now. Reflector. I haven't used this thing in forever, guys. I don't think I never used this thing in the video. That's how much I don't use reflectors.
I've only used one a couple of times in the shoot.
That's how much I don't use reflectors. Yeah, but this really ain't.
Really doing it, they cutting it.
This really ain't cutting it that much, guys, but it's just a tad bit, so we're just gonna use it for these close-up shots. So right now, I'm gonna go ahead and get my Ikes on. Ike, if you're watching this, I'm getting my Ikes on right now. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. Nice. 1, 2, and 3. Stay there. Bounce. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Catch me outside. How about that? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Ha! I'm gonna blind you on this one. You are gonna get blinded. All right, here we go. Go ahead. Good job. What's the dude doing? There we go. There we go. All right. Good job. Now you made it in the video. I really hope you enjoyed the work that Brittany and I just put in for... Damn. Brittany, how did you enjoy it?
It's always a lovely time with you, SJ. It is.
I do not believe that, guys. Comment down below if you believe anything she just said just a second ago, because I do not.
Give yourself some credit. You're not too bad.
I don't know if I believe her, guys. Now, of course, guys, as y'all can see, it used nothing but natural light. I also used nothing but the 45 all day just to kind of get this whole street life business aspect type ordeal that we had going on here for today's shoot. I did enjoy the photos and doing something different. That's why I'm trying to just stuck with the 45 all freaking day.
Got to give yourself a little challenge every now and again.
That's true. And I used a reflector.
Yeah. Occasionally.
Which was kind of pointless, I think. It was really pointless over there. Over here, it was cool because I got some light out there. Yeah. Some lot of light back in the face, but
a solid effort was made.
It was effort, right?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, guys. Now, of course, if you want to Brittany, all the stuff's gonna be in that script box below. We'll pop on the screen. Bye. Now, and Brittany, you want to say anything else?
No, just thank you so much for letting me come out and hang out with you.
Thank her for coming and doing the video. Oh, and to the next video.
Till next time.
Next time, guys. Peace.